welcome to my new video. So in this video we are going to review a new product that was recently released by Google called as Notebook LM. So you can open your browser and this is the website notebooklm.google. Think smarter, not harder. This is the ultimate tool for understanding the information that matters to you most, built with Gemini 1.5. So let's try the Notebook LM. So it shows my workspace here. I will just delete the existing file so that we can freshly create a file for you. So what it shows, create your first notebook. Notebook LM is an AI powered research and writing assistant that works best with the sources you upload. So basically you can upload any kind of document to the Notebook LM and it will answer it in detail, whatever you ask it. Convert complex material into easy to understand formats like FAQs or briefing documents. Add key resources to the notebook and share with your organization or create a group knowledge base. So let's try to create an example. So when I click on create example, this pop-up comes where you can add sources of data to it. So there are many options. You can choose your local data as well. You can upload any kind of text, PDF, MP3, whatever you want. You can even pass your Google Drive links or Google Slides, or you can even pass YouTube videos or simple any URL kind of thing, copy paste text. So what I will do is that I'll give you a YouTube video of mine and try to see like how it does with this data source. So I'll go to my channel and I'll just get the link of it and I'll just paste the YouTube link here. Paste my link, insert. So now it will process the thing and it will try to generate a summary out of it. So it gave me the summary. The YouTube video demonstrates how to combine videos and add transition using FFmpeg. Okay, this was the video in which I showed how to combine videos and use the FFmpeg to do certain tasks on videos and all. So it gave me the summary of it in a very short format. Now what you can do is that you can simply ask questions to it. So like for example, we'll ask this question that it suggests and it will try to answer it with the help of the things that I have shown in the video. That means from the source of data that you give, it will try to answer the questions. Now you can even pin this to the notes. You can even pin this like this, or you can even unpin it, whatever you want. Now if you want to get more brief of this, like if you don't have time to just read everything, so what you can do is that you can generate a audio overview of this entire thing in the form of a podcast like thing where two hosts are talking and English only. So we just click on the generate button here. So this will take some time, but once generated you will be able to hear it out. So by the time this audio is getting generated, let's add one more notebook to it. So I'll just go on the notebook LLM, create new, and here I'll give it a website link this time. So I'll just open some stock market news, stock market. So let's try to get this stock market link, which was about a stock turning from 2 rupees to 2.4 lakh rupees overnight. Let's try to see what we are able to get out of it. So I just gave it the FAQ and it gave me the source is an article from Economic Times that gave details about dramatic rise of the share price of Exide investment, etc, etc. The article explains how blah 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 the stock price skyrocketed, and this is how the summary it generated. And let's try to ask it how did this happen. So this gave me the response that this was the timeline of the things that happened, that the price increase happened, this was the auction special thing on Bombay Stock Exchange. This is the exactly thing that you get from the data source that you provide to it. Now even here, if you want, you can just generate the audio around it to get a overview of what's happening in this data source. So now let's try to test the generated audio that we created earlier. So I just go here, this guy's investment. right. Okay, the audio is generated here. So now when I click on this audio,
All right, so today we're diving into smooth transitions for videos. Um, you know how important they are for making your videos look professional
Oh, yeah, for sure.
and engaging. We'll get ready to unlock a secret weapon, FFmpeg's X-Fade filter.
Nice.
I'm already geeking out about the possibilities. We'll be checking out a YouTube tutorial by Shabir Governor. He does a really good job explaining all this.
Yeah, and the cool thing is, it's not some expensive plugin. FFmpeg is free.
That's right.
so it basically generated a 12-minute podcast of audio which is created by Gemini AI about the data source that I gave it, and you can even share it with your colleagues or whoever has the public access to it, or even download this thing. So I'll just download the wave file and I'll attach this wave file in the comment section below if you are not able to hear the thing. But this is truly superb because this gives the power to the user to summarize very complex amount of data in very short time, and consume it in the form of audio or even in the form of simple text language that we intend. So this was about the new tool that I wanted to show, that is Notebook LM, just released by Google, and in the coming weeks we'll be seeing other tool that is released by Llama as well. Till then, see you next time guys. Bye bye.